Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you Signal app tips and tricks and also Signal app settings and hidden features. So if you want to get that features and option, keep watching this video and follow the instructions step by step. After follow the instructions step by step, you can easily get that features and options. So without wasting a time, let's start the video. Firstly, you can see there are three dots appears on screen. Just tap on it. Now you can see if you want to create new group on Signal app, just tap on new group and add your contact number on your Signal group. So move to the next point, tap on three dot again. There you can see settings option, just tap on settings. Now you can see SMS or and MMS. Just tap on it. If you want to touch to make Signal your default SMS app, just enable it, otherwise disable it. You can see SMS delivery report is if you want to enable SMS delivery reports, just enable, and when your SMS delivered to other, your Signal app delivery report appears on your SMS. Go back. Now scroll down. There you can see privacy. This is the main option that I am going to talking about. That there you can see privacy option. Just tap on privacy option. Now you can see screen lock. If you want to lock screen Signal access with Android screen or fingerprint, just enable it. Otherwise, if you don't have do that, just leave it and move to the next point, screen lock. There you can see screen lock. There is none selected. I am on screen lock. If you want to add on screen lock, just select and enable and then enable the screen lock. Now go back and there you can see appearance, theme, default languages system. If you want to change theme or language on your Signal app, just tap on it and you can see theme, system default and language system default. If you want to change your Signal app language, just tap on language and system default. Here you can see all language appears on screen. If you want to select anyone, your Signal default language, select one of them. Go back and now move to the chat and media point. Just tap on it. There you can see media auto download. When you using mobile data, if you want to enable it, media will be automatic download when you using mobile data. If you want to select when using Wi-Fi, just select it, and when your Wi-Fi connected to your device, it will automatic download images, audios, videos and documents. Now turn to the next point. The next point is storage. Just tap on it. There you can see storage on your Signal app. If you want to review your storage files, which files, uh, tap on it. There you can see media, files, audio and all. There are no files in my storage. You have, if you have storage in your mobile phone and Signal app, just appears on screen. Now you can see keep messages forever. If you want to save any message forever, select the duration, 1 year, 6 months and 30 days. If you want to select 1 year or 6 months or 16 days, it will also automatically deleted from your chat history. There you can see clear message history. If you want to clear all of your message history, just tap on it and clear it again. Go back. Now you can see linked device. What is the link device? Just tap on it. There you can see if you linked any device to your Signal app, they will show in your link device. I am not link any device, so it's going to showing empty. Go back and the next one is help. If you want to need any help, just tap on help and you can get the help from Signal helpline. And the next one is advanced. There you can see advanced settings, and there you can see Signal messages and calls enable. If you want to disable it, your Signal messages and call, no one can send you Signal messages or call on your Signal account. And the next one is advanced pin setting. If you want to add any pin setting on your Signal app, it will ask every time pin when you open Signal. If you don't have any pin, it will not open. So if you want to delete your Signal account, just you can see delete option, you can select here and delete your Signal account. So friend, this is the tips and tricks about the Signal app. So friends, if video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.